Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from COLI at Canisius College. In this video we will go over the COLI Start of the Semester checklist. This checklist provides a brief list of actions you should take before your course starts. In this video we will provide a quick overview of each action. Also note that each action has a link or links for more information on how to do it. Let's get started. Go to the Canisius College Wiki and search for D2L Faculty Start and Course Checklist. This looks to be it. Click on the link. Let's keep this page open while we go through it. First, let's make sure we are not teaching two sections of a course with the same content. If we are, we may want to see the resource for merging D2L courses, the link for which is in the checklist right here. I'm not teaching two courses with the same content, so we can check that off. Second is installing the course syllabus into a syllabus module. Luckily, I already have my D2L course open in a different tab. It looks like I already have a syllabus module and a syllabus. I should probably check and make sure that this is the correct syllabus or if I need to update any information. Once I'm done making my changes, I can check that off my list. Third seems to be telling me to check my course start and end dates, particularly for summer courses. Let's do that quickly. Back in D2L, go to the Edit Course tab and select Course Offering Information. Scroll down until you see course start and end dates. By default, courses offered in the fall and spring semester open the Friday before the class begins. If I want to, I can quickly change the start date to open my course a little earlier so students can look at my syllabus module. Once I'm done, I can check that off. Next, I should check all links to files and outside resources. Admittedly, this is a tedious task, but this ensures that all of my links work properly and there are not any dead or broken links. If I'm uploading or creating content as I am teaching the course, this may not affect me much, but I should double check anything that I upload to make sure that it works as expected. Checking the links is also a great time to check on my due dates for various activities and assignments and make sure that they are updated for the current semester. Fifth on the list is the gradebook, more specifically on whether or not I want students to see a running total of their grade. I'll run through that process quickly, but if you want more information, click on the link found in the checklist for a video detailing how to do this. Let's check that item off the list. Sixth on the list is emailing your students a quick welcome message. This should probably be done at least a week before classes start. You can use either the D2L email feature or the class list proc, which is available automatically to all fall and spring courses and by request for summer courses. Links on using either are located on the wiki page. In this demo, we will use the D2L email feature. Back in D2L, go to the class list tab. Make sure you have user selected for the view by option in the upper left. Scroll down to the bottom of your list and click on where it says 20 per page and switch it to 200 per page. This will ensure that we are selecting all the students in the class. Click on the checkbox just underneath where the blue email button is to select all visible users, and then click on the blue email button. Type in your email address and BCC if you do not already have D2L set up to email you a copy of your email. Add your subject and type in your message. A good welcoming message should set the tone for the course and your enthusiasm for the course. It should also show your enthusiasm to learn with the students. Absolutely do not copy and paste your syllabus into the email. Add it as an attachment if you must. If you have already added it to the course, direct them to the module it is located in. You can see a version of this email in the checklist. We can check that item off the list now. Finally, we have a quick reminder for ourselves. As an instructor, it is not our responsibility to teach students how to use D2L, their email, or Google Workplace. This is the responsibility of the student. I'll check to make sure that this link to the ITS guide for students is in my syllabus or at the very least as a link in my syllabus module. It does not seem to be, so I'll add it towards the bottom of my module along with this message. This message basically says the student is responsible for knowing how to use D2L, their Canisius email, and their Google Workplace. If there's any assistance that they might require, they can refer to the ITS Guide for Students or contact the ITS Help Desk by emailing them at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Once that is done, I'll check that off my list. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.